Hey guys, I'm planning out my book that I am writing a story about. Miss Beckie's Distance Learning. I made this book using some paper and some cardboard. This is called an accordion book, and it has hard covers that I made out of the cardboard and then covered with construction paper or colored paper. But the inside is just made from regular white paper where I can plan out my story and draw my pictures. Let me show you how I created this. Some of the materials you'll need are scissors, glue, white paper, string, and cardboard. Let's see how I make the inside pages. Cut 2 sheets of paper in half. Next, glue the papers together at the ends. Try to keep it straight. Next, fold the papers in half lengthwise, and then fold each side back and forth, like an accordion or a fan. Make the zigzag folds. Now let's take a look at how to make the cover. Trace the booklet around on the cardboard. Cut it out, the cardboard, to make your front and back covers. Then glue these pieces to a piece of colored paper. Press firmly so that it sticks well. Cut around the cardboard. Leave a little bit of a margin around the cardboard. Cut the corners of the colored paper and then glue and fold over the edges. Next, add a bit of string to the center of the booklet. This will help you to close the booklet. Now glue in your pages. After gluing in the pages, then you can tie your booklet with the string so it'll stay closed. Okay guys, now that you know how to make your own accordion book, I can't wait to see what you come up with. I hope that you have fun, I hope that you are creative, and hope to see you soon. Bye!